Hey. Welcome back. We're out here in the shop. Last video was talking about the brake lines. This video, I'm going to be attempting to install an alternator bracket for a Pontiac Big Block that uses an electric water pump. I bought the parts from a company called CVF. Apparently they do a lot of brackets and whatnot for Pontiac Big Blocks. I had to do a little research because I'm not up on all the Pontiac stuff. I'm a big block Chevy guy. So yeah, that's the plan today. These are the parts right here all laid out. Box. Their lower pulley, their alternator bracket. Seems like a pretty decent kit. Nice heim joints. I read over the directions already. They seem pretty decent. And I have PowerMaster alternator. Now, to be completely honest, I don't know how this is going to go. I'm hoping everything fits the way it should. I'm going to be stumbling through this, and you guys are going to be following along. So, here we go. All right, I think I'm going to start off with putting on the lower pulley because it seems like it's the easiest thing to do, honestly. It's a 1/4 inch Allen. They give you all the bolts. So away we go. I imagine this should just be click and play, right? All right, it's a nice, good, tight fit. Oh, I got lucky. First hole lined right up. I have a funny feeling that's going to be the easiest part. Well, it appears to me now I have to remove this bolt, and that bolt. So here we go. 1/4 inch. Anyone's wondering what this part number to this kit is, there it is. If you're a Pontiac person. Bunch of silicone on that bolt. Huh. Right. The top one's a 5/16 2 inch. Middle one is a 3/8 4.5 inches long. Okay, I'm gonna leave this bottom bolt out because that's where the, actually, you know what? I don't have to. I don't have to. Let me think about this. I'll just stick this Heim joint in there. So, bolt, spacer, then Heim joint. Uh-oh, I'm gonna have to loosen the bolts up a little bit. I did read in directions where it said leave everything loose. And that is why sometimes I get ahead of myself. All right, let's see. Oh, look at that. Ruh-roh. See how bad it is. Oh no, cool, we're not hitting. Awesome. Great, great, great. It looks like we got good alignment too. Oh, I got it right, half inch. Funny feeling might be going to the auto parts store. I was hoping this belt would work. Looks like we might be going to the auto parts store. Yep. Gonna have to tell them what color the car is. All right, that is the final installation with the belt on. Everybody's happy. I got the ground wire back on. The head over there from the chassis. Everything's straight and in line. And all in all, I gotta say, it's not a really bad kit. It's a pretty good kit for the money you pay. I think it was like $152 for the whole enchilada, not counting the pulley. I got the pulley separate. But that's just for the brackets. And then you have to buy or already have your alternator. So that is it. Everybody's straight and happy. So if you like this content, you like what I'm doing, or if you don't like what I'm doing, you know, comment. If you like it, like. If you don't, put a thumbs down, whatever. There's some mean people out there. And could you please subscribe? It's free. Doesn't cost you anything. You know, I'm not begging. I'm just asking. So anyway, until the next time, I'll see you guys later. See what else we get into.